Open your eyes.
Good morning everyone! Today is 31st of January and what does that tell you? Today is my birthday. I turned 27. I know I dolled up myself, just a slight doll up because I want to be pretty loud on my birthday, cannot Anyhow, my boyfriend just made us some so-called birthday breakfast for me. So I'll be having that and then I will be doing some unboxing of my birthday gifts that I received from my girlfriends who sent over through delivery. Stay tuned for that. Today is just gonna be a very quiet evening, nothing much planned. I did plan to make like some scones today, some English scones because I love scones. So we're gonna have that for tea. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Can't detect it. It's like,
It's like, no, I don't want to detect food.
can't eat food. Oh yeah.
Tastes like pizza.
It's supposed to turn out like a bruschetta, but bread's not tough enough for that.
I realized anything that you add cheese and tomatoes can
Tastes like
taste like pizza. I'm gonna unbox presents after this. This is exciting.
it took so many days to see you unbox this.
Okay, so just finished my breakfast and we are going to unbox my presents. Yes?
Yes.
So I need to call my girlfriend, the one who gave me this huge ass Zalora package. So damn heavy, I don't even know what's inside. I'm gonna call her first because she wants to see my reaction. Well, my birthday so far has been very pleasant, filled with surprises. It's not picking up yet. If she's not picking up, then I will open my boyfriend's gift first. I'm gonna unbox my gift from my boyfriend. You see this small little cute happy birthday sayang label. So cute! He did it himself. Well done. This is exciting. What do you guys think it is? I knew it! I knew it! This one was unexpected. He got the king one.
So who is your king?
You're my king.
Comes king. Happy birthday.
You got me a Garmin. Can you see? Yay! I can track my fats now. Aw, thank you, babe.
Okay. It's
I
last
got
time.
my own Garmin now. Pada terbalik. Ah, slick.
Fix the whole thing.
Yeah, I like it.
It looks like your DW.
Yeah. Okay, so we have the next gift from the newlyweds, Iman and Yash. Dun, dun, dun. So many stuff. Ooh. What's this?
Bikini.
Oh, I think it's a top.
This is top.
Ah, this is so sweet. Look at
Not a
that. Oh, this is very sweet. We have red heels, people. Wow. Very Chinese New Year vibe, ah. One more thing. She got me 3 gifts, literally. This is a handbag. Oh, this is cute. Can use it for office. Thanks, B. Thanks, He-Man. This fit. Yay, fits.
Happy birthday, Cheryl. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Good on.
You guys are officially in my vlog. Thank you for the gift. I really like them.
She unboxed already.
Unbox lah. I tak boleh tunggu lah. Excited.
If it is me, I forget it. When I receive, open already.
I really like the top. You know what? Kelvin thought it was bikini.
Aduh, gila.
And then?
Dia tinggal bikini.
And then I just called Mummy. Mummy thought it was apron.
Yep.
We're having char kway teow for our lunchie from Good Coffee. And we're gonna make scones later. Should we making time? Hi guys, I'm having scones that my boyfriend made for me. And it's food reviewing time. I have it with jam and some cream cheese. Wow, cut through just nice, babe. Yeah, well done. Well done, go.
Nice.
Nice. I think you should try it like on its own. Then only like. Okay. Can I open now?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Ah, B.
Do you like it?
Bodoh lah.
I don't know whether you like it or not.
It's cute. Thanks.
Yeah.
Macam ni. Tunjuk macam ni. Sorry guys. Sorry.
B, tengoklah sini. Kau tengok aku sekarang. Look here. Tengoklah sini. Why are you not here?